How's it going? We got another part for the Kawasaki KL250. Another lucky find. An original toolbox. And I know it's original because it has the date stamp inside, which says 77. I probably can't see that, but it says it. So it says 77. We're going to go ahead and install it. I'm not even going to clean it because I want to see it. I want to see it in there. So I was lucky to find. I like having the original banged up stuff. So just slide right on there. Perfect. Perfect fit. I'm so excited I got this. The cover, however, I don't know if I'm ever going to find a cover. So I'll probably 3D print one of these. And if anybody wants a cover, I'll make that print file available. Or I can print it and you can buy it if you want. I'm probably going to do that. But that's awesome. That just makes it that much more complete. How do people use those? I don't get it. They must take them out at some point when they're stripping the bike down or something. I don't know where mine are. I thought I left it with the original owner, or the guy that bought it from me 25 years ago. Oh shit, we got rain. So there it is. Just kind of rests right there. Perfect. I love it. Check it out. Oh yeah. And the cool thing is these toolkits are still available. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Little update. I always love getting new stuff for the KL. I need to get this foot peg on. I've been really lazy about that. Maybe I will do that today. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that today. This foot peg needs to go on here. Alright. See ya. Till the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want to see more content on the KL250 here, maybe other motorcycles. And if you thought the video was cool or whatever, don't forget to hit like. See you guys later.